What is up, guys? So we're finally here in Minnesota. How are you guys doing? Since the last time you see me, I got a haircut, so that's why my hair's short. But we are finally in Minnesota. We're finally here. I'm so excited. It took us a few days. We drove here actually. We drove here from where we live. We went through Canada and then we went down and we drove here. So I'm really excited that we're here. Finally made it to Minnesota, and I've said this in the past few videos. I'm going to be filming every single day here. We're going to be here for 2 weeks, so it's about 14 videos, considering each week being 7 days. But anyway, here are some clips of us driving here. So most of these are time lapses, so they're not going to have any audio in them, but I think they're still really cool, so I'm just going to play them right here. If you guys can see, those are all boats. There you go. Those are all boats.
That's right, those are.
Look at the fireworks. That's cool. Yeah, so it was pretty fun. It was long, but it was all worth it because now we're finally here. I just finished editing a video that I'm trying to get up. I've been trying to get up for a while now, countless amount of times, but my dad's gonna be back here in about 10 to 20 minutes, maybe in 30 minutes, I'm not sure. And we're actually gonna go jet skiing. So I'm gonna have my GoPro chest mount on. It's in the other room. I gotta get it on. So I've been waiting a really long time to drive these jet skis. I finally got my boaters. I got my boaters permit last year to be able to drive them, but I wasn't old enough to drive a jet ski or a PWC, personalized watercraft, also known as a jet ski. I wasn't old enough to do that, but I was old enough to drive a boat, but I didn't really get to do that as much. So this year I'm finally old enough to be able to drive a jet ski by myself, so I'm really excited about that because it's pretty much my first time driving a jet ski by myself, so I'm really excited about that. I'll put a picture right here for you guys to see my boater's license. Yeah, I pretty much just got it last June. It was a pretty long test, if you're asking me. It's the Minnesota boater's license test, not from the Where We Live test. It was pretty long. It did take a while, but it was all worth it. I'm gonna have my GoPro chest mount on. It's in the other room. I gotta get it on. So I will see you guys down at the dock where the jet skis are. All right, this is the first time by myself on a jet ski. Finally, it's feeling pretty good so far. Just gotta be careful. There's a few boats out, so I'm gonna go this way. Alright, I'm back from jet skiing. I'm gonna do a front flip off this dock and my dad's gonna film. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
There we go, summer 2017.
Alright guys, what's up? So now we're gonna go get something to eat actually. I'll probably just film when we get back. We just had a little something to eat. Now we're gonna go get more because we're still hungry. But after that, we're just gonna come back here and hang out by the lake. So, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna just fill you in on the last time you saw me. So we basically went to go fill up the gas for the jet skis, and then we dropped the gas back off here. Went to get something to eat, got some ice cream, and then we just came back here. I went out on the jet ski for a little bit. Yeah, I think that's what happened. We just kind of hung out when I went on the jet ski for a little bit, and then I came back in and just hung out for a while. And then I came in, hung out for a while, and then I went back on the jet ski again for a little bit, and then just been kind of hanging out. And yeah, we just got done with dinner. And it was my brother's birthday yesterday, so we just did a celebration today because we were on the road yesterday. We couldn't really do a celebration. We got here pretty late, so that's basically what's happened. So right now, the sunset is looking pretty good actually over the lake. I'm gonna try and get my drone up just for a little bit. Remember, I don't have any music, but I'm gonna try and get my drone up just for a little bit. I might not put too much footage, and I haven't really got too much footage today, but I'm gonna be jet skiing a lot, so I don't just want everything to be jet skiing. So that's why I'm not filming a lot on my jet skiing, but right now I'm gonna get the drone fired up, so the next clip you'll see will be on the drone, so. What's up, guys? We're back chilling. I'm just gonna make this quick because I'm really tired actually. Kind of had an eventful day, kind of did a lot. Really excited that we're here. Really excited that today was my first time riding a jet ski, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm just talking really low right now because I'm really low energy, but yeah. I think I'm gonna end it off here. Tomorrow is 4th of July. So we're gonna go there's some festivities down at this store in this neighborhood. So we're gonna go check that out, and I'm really excited for that. And yeah, today's pretty good. I didn't film too much because we're still kind of settling in here and getting used to it and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you guys gotta do. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next video. Peace. Peace.